Alright guys, today I'll be working on a 2007 Cadillac DTS. This car started off as the transmission high pressure line right here. It got disconnected on its own while I was driving, so I had to stop, and I had to call somebody to take me to the nearest store so I can get a little clip, because they sell the clips individually. So after doing that, a couple months after, it keeps on leaking. I can't go in reverse. My car takes a while to shift because it's still leaking a lot of oil once you turn the car on, and it creates pressure. So I finally decided to go to O'Reilly's and get another one of these connectors that comes with the clip. So right inside of it, you can see it has a blue gasket right there. I'm assuming what happened to mine was that even though I changed the clip and I put one that I thought was better than the original, that gasket eventually just disappeared, got wasted away. So I bought the whole piece and I'm about to take it off. So let's do this. Okay, I have a 19mm ready to use. You gotta pull the line out. Okay, so there it goes. I took it out. So now let's compare the old one to the new one. As you can see, there's nothing noticeably different besides the blue gasket on this one still has life in it. You can see it still kind of sticks out, and it'll provide a good seal, as opposed to this older one, which you can see the seal is just kind of flat. It has just flying out over time. That's where my leak is coming from. And yeah, it cost like $7 at the store. It's not that big of a deal, and it could be affixed to a lot of things. Go straight onto there, just screw it in. And remember to let your motor cool down, because all these metal pipes besides it and everything are gonna end up touching your arms and your hands, and it'll be really hot right now. And then I'll let my car cool down, because I'm an impatient individual. I just want to get everything done the same day. Alright, so there it goes. Hand tighten it. Okay. I got my ratchet ready to tighten it. Just tighten it little by little. Tightens up pretty quick. Just don't overforce it. There, that's pretty tight right there. Okay, now to the easy part. Remember not to take off the clip that goes on here. You just leave it on there, and then you just push. There it goes. You see this? I can try to pull it, and there's no play at all. There's no play. Before, I used to be able to pull this line, and you could feel the play. Now, definitely not. Let's put this back. Now, transmission fluid, we're gonna fill this back up. You see that? Looking pretty empty. About to go get more transmission fluid. Fill this little baby up. Make sure it doesn't leak from this little bad boy, and I'll be fine. So I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna get some oil, and then I'll make another video after I fill it up, turn it on, and watch how my car does not leak. Alright guys, so back to the fix.
been a couple days now. There's still oil in my reservoir. Everything's good.